Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from CVS and we are about to get into some all digital deals. So if you are new to couponing and you don't use paper coupons, or you are an experienced couponer and you just don't dig the paper coupons, this is the video for you because we're going to get some great deals and we are only going to use our phones. And I am super glad to get back into these all digital videos. I really like them because they're so easy to do because you don't have to deal with clipping a whole bunch of paper coupons, getting all organized in that way. You really can just pull up to the store, get your savings, and go. So without further ado, let's jump right into this first deal and let me show you what we're grabbing. So the past couple weeks, CVS has been giving me a very high value CVS coupon for $15 off of a $30 Crest white strip purchase. And I haven't been able to quite put a deal together that I like, but this week all of the stars aligned and I was able to get these Crest white strips for really cheap. These Crest white strips are $37.49 in my store. We're going for the classic vivid because of course that is the best deal. You get 20 strips in here, so this is a really good deal. The 8 to 10 count strips, so like the noticeably white, are not included in this promotion, so you do have to go big. So we're getting these for $37.49. They are buy one get back $10 in extra bucks. Loaded to my account, I have a 15 off of 30, and I also have a $5 digital coupon. So CVS has been sending me 30% off coupons in the mail lately, and I decided that this was a great deal to take advantage of with that 30% off coupon. So that is one of the coupons that I wanted to throw into this deal. And so I just purchased this box of Crest white strips. It's going to be easier for me to show you on my receipt how this worked out. So here is my receipt for the Crest white strips. So these babies were $37.49. I used my $5 digital coupon and then my 15 off of 30. Then our 30% off coupon takes off 30% of what's left after your coupons are applied. So that was $5.25. That left me to pay $12.24 at the register, and I did place that on a gift card. So that was placed on a Fetch Rewards gift card, and then I did get back $10 in extra bucks. So you pay out the $12.24, but you're gonna get back $10, making this item only $2.24. And with this deal, because you get the amount, the percentage off amount on the amount after your coupons are applied, you don't want to pay with extra bucks because those extra bucks will reduce the value of your percentage off coupon. So that is why I used a gift card and then got back those extra bucks. So if you have a percentage off coupon and that 15 off of 30, definitely put it to work on this item because you cannot beat $2.24 for a product that is regularly priced at $37.49. And if you don't have a percentage off coupon, this is still a pretty awesome deal if you have that 15 off of 30 and the $5 digital, because you would only pay $17.49 and then you could use extra bucks to pay that $17.49 and you'd get back the $10 in extra bucks. That would make this just $7.49 for this item. The next deal we're going to grab, of course, this week is on the Colgate. So this is an easy freebie that we went over in Sunday's video. This time I think I'm going to grab the sensitive varieties. So these are 2 for $9.98. So we're going to grab 2 of these. We have a $3 and a $1 digital that is attaching to this deal. That's going to leave us to pay $5.98 and then get back a $6 extra buck, making 2 of these completely free. Now we're going to do the buy 2 get back 5 on the toothbrushes and the mouth rinse. So the first thing I'm going to grab is one of these toothbrushes. These are $4.49. We do have a $1 digital coupon for this. Then I'm going to grab one of the Colgate mouth rinse. These are also $4.49, and we do have a $1 digital for it as well. So these two will total you up to $8.98 when you buy both of them. Use those two $1 digital coupons, and then you will pay $6.98 at the register. Then you're going to get back a $5 extra buck, making them just 99 cents each. What I'm going to do is I'm going to combine both of these deals because I have a 4 off of 18 Colgate CRT. So we're going to pick up both of them for $18.96. Then I can use that 4 off of 18 coupon. After my coupons, I'm going to pay just $8.96 at the register. We're going to use the $4 in digitals here, the $2 in digitals here, and that 4 off of 18. We'll pay $8.96, then get back $11, $6 for the toothpaste, and $5 for these items, making all 4 of them free plus a $2 moneymaker. The next digital deal on my list is the spend 30 get 10. So the first thing I'm going to be grabbing is the Huggies Little Snugglers. I do not have any manufacturer coupons for this item, but I do have 8,000 worth of point offers on Fetch Rewards. I have a 2,000 and a 6,000 that will give me $8 back on Fetch. So I'm going to pick up one of these for $16.49 as the first item in my deal. The next item I'm going to be grabbing to complete my deal is 2 Kotex items. So I don't have any paper coupons for this item, but I am going to be submitting to the coupons app for $4 back when I pick up 2. So I'm going to be picking up one of these maxi pads right here, and then these are $8.29, and I'm also going to be picking up one box of liners for $5.19. I'm going to be submitting back to Ibotta for $2 in cash back on these, and I'm going to be submitting back to Fetch Rewards for $1.50. So this deal is going to total us up to $29.97. This is our spend 30 get 10. Now for this deal, I have no manufacturer coupons as far as paper coupons that I'm going to be handing over, but we're going to be submitting back for a whole lot of rebates. So $29.97 with the 98% rule, I am good to use my 6 off of 30 coupon. So I'm going to add in a 6 off of 30 here. So we are starting at $29.97. That 6 off of 30 is going to bring us down to $23.97. We're going to get back $10 in extra bucks. We're going to get back $4 from the coupons app. We're going to get back $2 from Ibotta and $9.50 from Fetch Rewards. That is going to bring us down to a $1.53 moneymaker for all 3 of these items. We're about to get paid to buy these diapers and feminine care items. Now, if you did not have a 6 off of 30, this would still only cost you $4.47 after rebates. All right, you guys, so I'm going to check out with these items. We're going to get our oral care and we're going to get our Kotex and our Huggies. Let's see how this deal goes. All right, you guys, this transaction worked out even better than I expected. It turned into a nice moneymaker. So let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there's the Colgate, there's all of those items, there's the Huggies and the Kotex. Here is everything that we got. So there is the Colgate digitals, those all came off, my 6 off of 30, and then my 4 off of 18. I used a total of $31 in extra bucks in this deal, and then that left my subtotal at $193. So total, we paid out $32.93 for this deal. But you guys, look at what we got back. So as far as extra bucks, we got back $10 for the spend 30, $6 for the Colgate, and then $5 for the Colgate. So $21 in extra bucks. But then I also got back $10 from Fetch Rewards, 8 for the diapers, and 2 for the Kotex. Amazing, you guys. So $10 from Fetch Rewards. Then I submitted over to the coupons app for $4 for the Kotex, and I submitted to Ibotta for $2 for the Kotex. So that is a total of $37 back after spending $32.93. That transaction was completely free and a $407 moneymaker. The next all digital deal on my list is on the Gillette deodorant. So we're going to do another deal on this Comfort Dry Tech. You have to get these that are buy one, get one 50% off. So everyone this week is getting a 3 off of 2 instant coupon on these. These will total us up to $11.68 for 2. So we're going to use this $3 instant coupon. We're going to use our 4 off of 2 digital coupon. And I also have a 3 off of 8 for Gillette. That's going to bring it down to $1.68 for both of these, or just 84 cents each. So we're going to grab these. The next oral care deal we're going to get into is this deal on the Crest. So these products are $6.99 this week, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $4 extra buck. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, and we also have a $2 digital that is attaching to these. So I'm going to pick up 2. Let me show you my breakdown. So 2 of these would total you up to $13.98. If you have a 4 off of 14 Crest CRT, that's most ideal for this deal. That would take off $4. Then we have that 5 off of 2 and that $2 off digital that is double dipping and coming off. That'll leave you to pay just $2.98 and then get back $4 in extra bucks, making these 2 free plus a $1 moneymaker. Now I have a $4 off of 20 oral care CRT that I'm going to be using instead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 of the Colgate to this deal. So what I'm going to do, since I have that 4 off of 20, is I'm going to add in 2 of the Colgate. Using that $4 in digitals for the Colgate, the $7 in digitals for the Crest, and that 4 off of 20, I'm going to pay $8.96 at the register. Then I'm going to get back $6 here and $4 here. That's going to make all 4 of these free plus a 101 moneymaker. All right, you guys, so here is what the oral care deal and the Gillette look like together on our receipt. So all of my digitals came off as we expected. I rolled in $10 in extra bucks and I paid 64 cents plus tax. And then I did get back $10 in extra bucks, 6 for the Colgate and then 4 for the Crest, making that transaction only a cost of 64 cents. And I've already used the $10 in extra bucks on a different deal that I'm going to show you in just a couple minutes. So let's get into our next transaction. All right, guys, next deal up is the Shea Moisture. So I wanted to grab 2 of these products that are $9.99, but my store only has 1 left. So we're going to grab 1 for $9.99 and 1 for $11.99. These are spend 20, get 10 this week. All right, you guys, so these 2 are going to total me up to $21.98. I'm going to be using our 6 off of 2 digital coupon and a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. After those coupons, I'm going to pay $11.98 at the register. Then I'm going to get back a $10 extra buck. That's going to make these 2 babies just 99 cents a piece. And of course, if I was grabbing 2 $9.99 products instead of this $11.99 product, these 2 would be completely free. And if you do use paper coupons, the 5 off of 2 paper coupon is double dipping with this. That would turn this deal into a moneymaker. I'm also going to grab my free beauty gift for this month. We're going to get this Sun Bum SPF 30, so this will be completely free after our free beauty gift. All right, you guys, so here's a close-up of my receipt for that Shea Moisture. So my palm oil conditioner did ring up higher, ring up for $12.49. So this came out to $2.48 after I rolled in $10 in extra bucks. Then I did get back the $10 in extra bucks. So this was $2.49 for these 3 items. Last deal on my list is a razor deal. So the Gillette and Venus razors is what we're going to get started with. These are buy 2 get 5 this week. So I am going to start by picking up one of these Gillette Mach 3 razors. These are $10.99. We do have a $3 digital coupon. Then I'm also going to be grabbing one of these Venus smooth razors. These are $10.99. Let me focus. And we also have a $3 digital coupon for these. I'm going to be pairing this deal with this 2 for $15 deal on the Skintimate razor. So we did this deal on Sunday and we learned that our 2 digital coupons are double dipping, indeed giving us $8 in coupon savings. So these are 2 for $15, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back 5. So we would pay $7 at the register, then get back 5, making the Skintimate razors just $1 a piece. So what we're doing in this razor deal is we're going to combine these 2 deals together and pick up all 4 of them at the same time so that we can use a 6 off of 30 shave CRT. So these are going to total us up to about $30.74. These two are going to be $15. This baby right here is $10.99. This one is going to ring out half price since these are buy one get one 50. So we're going to be at $30.74 before our coupons are applied. So I'm going to use the 6 off of 30 shave CRT. We're going to use a $3 digital coupon here, $3 digital coupon here, and then our $8 in digitals here. That's gonna leave me to pay just $10.74 at the register. Then we're gonna get back $10 in extra bucks, 5 for these and 5 for these. That's gonna make all 4 of these only 74 cents total. The next thing I'm going to grab is these Total Home dryer sheets. So these smell pretty decent. I'm going to get this tropical. So these are 50% off in my store. I don't know if this is just a store special. It looks to be clearance, but I did scan this with my app and I have 2 Total Home CRTs that are attaching to these products. So if these ring out for $2.59 with that $2 in coupons, this 80 count dryer sheet should be just 59 cents. And I decided to scan this over at the red box to see what the price is. It is on clearance, so this is a clearance price. This is the item number if you want to look for it on BrickSeek. So $2.59 minus the $2 in coupons, this will be just 59 cents. If you can't find the ones that are on clearance, these are also on sale. Just the regular kind are on sale for $2.99 this week. So if you have those same Total Home CRTs, you can grab this for just 99 cents. And another clearance item that I grabbed off camera was this Conair all-in-one facial trim system. So this was 75% off at my store, and this was just $6.12. I had some extra bucks that were expiring, so I just used those on this and didn't pay anything but the 12 cents for this item. Here is a close-up of my receipt for our shave transaction. There's my Schick razors, the Total Home dryer sheets, and then my Gillette razors. All of our digital coupons came off. I used the 6 off of 30, my 2 Total Home CRTs, and I rolled in $10 in extra bucks. I paid out $1.87 after that $10 in extra bucks, and then I did get back $10 in extra bucks. So that final transaction ended up costing me $1.87. So all in all, this was a good time at CVS using all digital coupons. Minus the clearance item, of course, this only cost us $3.20. This is over $200 worth of product by CVS prices that we just got for $3, you guys. So I think we did awesome, all digital. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.